Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today is the lecture number 12 of BBA English Composition and Comprehension. And now today's topic is the expansion of a sentence and also methods of expansion. So first of all, we should define what is expansion of a sentence. So expansion means stretch, expand. So sentence expanding is the process of adding one or more words, phrases or clauses to the main clause. To do just that, expand your sentence. So first of all, you read carefully the original sentence or paragraph until you fully understand the meaning of a passage. Expand it by adding details, illustrations, examples, and so on. The expanded passage must contain all that was in the original paragraph. So it means that now the expanded paragraph must be consistent of the same sense and same central idea which is also presented in an original paragraph. There would be no any kind of the alteration, any kind of the changing, but also change of the words, but not change of ideas. It must be remain as it is explained in the original paragraph. So we also understand that what are the causes of the expansion, why we expand our sentences. Expansion may be caused by facts external to economy and other fields. In English grammar, it means that it is the way through which you can also explain any word, any sentence according your requirement, and also you can use its perspective. So such as different kind of the condition or the technical change, we can also expand our sentences and molds the word according our use or by factors internal to the use of this word. So for the accomplishment of this process, we have to complete or carry out some steps for the expansion. So first of all, understand the symbol of the words in the proverb. So in this way, you must be careful in understanding the symbols which are generally used in the original paragraph or in the original sentence. So method of the expansion is another way through which you can also learn well and know well how you can extend of a sentence. The expansion of a passage practically amounts to writing of the miniatures of the essays on the subject of the original passage. There are no strict rules for the length of the paragraph. It must be neither too long and nor too short. So on the second step, identify what is included in the simple sentence. And number 3, expand the sentence in a very accurate way by keeping in mind the perspective of this sentence. So number 4, practice writing expanded sentence. Practice make a man perfect. The more practice you make you a more efficient and also expert in the method of the expansion. So while keep remember that while expanding a sentence, your statement should be clear, and also you must clarify the statement in a way there is no chance of the diffusions, misunderstanding or the confusion create in the original sense of the sentence and original gist of the sentence. So number 6, include additional sources by which you can expand the sentences and also make it easy and become the source of the enhancement of the words without affecting the original gist of this paragraph. So now in the end you can also use lot of the quotation in the perspective of your expansion method. So sentence expanding exercises are often used in conjunctions with sentences, combining and sentence imitation exercises together. These activities may serve as a supplement or an alternative to more traditional method of the grammar and writing instructions. The chief object on expanding sentence is to enrich students' thinking and attention to detail in storytelling and writing, while lightening the awareness of the variety of available sentence structure. So expanding sentences with adjectives, there are a lot of the hints which are generally, or lot of the methods and lot of the ways by which you can also expand any sentence. Number 1, expanding sentences with adjective and adverbs. Number 2, expanding sentence with prepositional phrase. Number 3, expanding sentences with positives. Number 4, expanding sentences with adjective clauses. Number 5, expanding sentences with adverb clauses. And number 5, expanding sentences with absolute phrases. The absolute phrases mean such kind of the phrases which are not commonly used and are generally used in a very rare case. So as a whole, sentence expanding is the process of adding one or more words, phrases or clauses to the main clause to do just that, expand your sentences. So carefully read the sentence until you fully understand its meaning. Then you can expand it by adding details, illustrations, examples. So expand passage must combine all that was in the original passage. You may also add details that are strictly relevant to the subject. If the sentence for expansion is a metaphor, explain its meaning in plain language and give reason to support it. If the sentence for expansion is a conclusion, it is job to trace the step by which its thought can also convey and its thought by which it is concluding the sentences. So it has been arrived at the point the expanded passage should be a complete piece of the composition. It must be written in good English. Carefully look for spelling, grammar and punctuation errors. So this is the authentic method by which you can also expand a sentence. So generally, now the paraphrasing is also the alternative word which is used for this word, because in which you must select a sentence and then explain comprehensively by keeping all moods and also a complete perspective of this paragraph. Definitely there is no need to detract from the gist of the original passage, because now the topic sentence and also supporting detail. Topic sentence is a general sentence which is need to expand. So the supporting detail which is generally written comprehensively in the support of to explain the real object of this sentence is generally is known as the expansion of the sentence. In other words, paraphrasing of a sentence. So just this method is also used for the explanation in English as well as in Urdu language. So keep remember all these points. The method of the expansion, in which you can also use the verb adverb clause, and also you can use a prepositional phrase and also absolute phrases. So it means that such kind of the writings, such kind of the techniques and such kind of the method can also be very helpful to expand any kind of the sentence and to convey a complete sense of original meaning of this paragraph or this sentence. So as a whole we can say that the expanding method is generally is the stretches expansion paraphrasing of a sentence. Its only chief object to expand the sentence, to make it clear and also a worth meaning. Thank you so much.